Wongsawas. Today I will present and explain about the pronunciation of consonant P and B. Consonant sound P and B are produced in the same place in the mouth with the tongues in the same position. The only difference is that P is an voiceless sound, no vibration of the vocal cord, while B is a voiced sound, vocal cord vibrate. Put your hand on your toes as you say the pair below to feel the difference. However, today I and Awesome will to pronounce consonant P. For example, the final consonant with consonant P include pan, pull, pie, pound, point, pity, map. The final consonant with consonant P include appear, support, supply, apply. The final consonant with consonant PE include tail, curve, bite, hope, strike. We listen to the voice of Awesome.
Everyone, I'm Sam. I come from England and today I come to join Finn's video about comparing accent American English and British English. Today I will pronounce words with consonant P for you. The final consonant will, with consonant P, include can, pull, pie, pound, point, pity, map. The final consonant with consonant PP include appear, suppose, supply, apply. The final consonant with consonant PE include tape, cope, pipe, hope, strike.